All right, guys and girls, thanks for checking out this video. It's going to be the first in a series called Getting Started with AWS or Amazon Web Services. So, you ready to get started with AWS? It can be a really exciting time. There's so much you can do with it. It can also be a little nerve-wracking. There's so many things once you get inside the console. Well, we're here to help you along the way. I'm Mac, and I'll be guiding you through the process. To start with, we're going to show you how to set up an account. To do that, you'll need the following: a valid email address that you have access to, a valid credit card, a valid phone number that they can call you at during the creation process. So, with that, let's get started. I am already on the page here. I'll provide the URL in the show notes below. And I've filled it out with my email address, the password I want to use, and the name that I want to use for the account. With that, I will click continue. Once I do that, I come into the contact information. Here, simply provide details as needed. Here's where you fill out your credit card information. I'm going to do that and catch up with you at the next screen. Once you give your credit card information, you'll come to the confirm your identity screen. Here is where you need the available phone number. I'm going to use my cell phone for a text message, and I'll catch back up with you again at the next screen. All right. Once we fill out the form there, we'll get a text message, 4-digit code. My code was 3501. I'm going to verify that code. For the support plan on this account, we're going to go with the free basic plan. For anything in production, we recommend going with the business plan. As the workload grows on your AWS account, so will the cost. It's from $100 a month, but that goes up according to the workload that you have in your account. Now, we're to the welcome screen, and we're ready to sign in to the console with the password we used. So, click there. So, here we come up to sign in. I'm going to use the email address that we started with a minute ago. All right, so now we're ready to sign into the account for the first time. I've got my email address filled in here. Click next, and it's going to ask me for my password. Okay, here we have the console. In here we have all sorts of goodies, different services offered. As you can see, there's quite a number of services in here. If you can't find what you're looking for at first glance, you can come up here to the find and type in, say if we were looking for CloudFront, and it would take us right into the service. Now, when we get here, you'll see that we don't have anything going on because, of course, this is a brand new account. Let's go back. One of the other things you'll notice is down at the bottom here, they've got a spot where you can build a solution, and these are little wizards that'll walk you through starting up an EC2 instance or a Lightsail server. Then a little further down, there are some tutorials with labs you can walk through and watch and help you come up to speed on a few of the terms. Some of the more common services are EC2, Route 53, RDS, and S3. Stick around and we'll cover those in the upcoming episodes. Go ahead and like and subscribe